Today I'm speaking with Danny McDowell, Midwest Regional Manager of PFlow Industries, which is the founder of the vertical reciprocating conveyor industry. Today we're discussing how vertical conveyors can help retailers make the most of their space. So Danny, can you explain how VRCs enhance the efficiency of space utilization in multi-level retail environments?
Yeah, so by implementing a VRC into your building, you give yourself the ability to move product throughout multiple floor levels of that building. With the VRC included, you now eliminate the need to store product for stock at multiple floor levels, which then opens up floor space for additional merchandising and other processes that may be more functional to the day-to-day business.
So what are the key benefits of implementing VRCs in the backroom operations of a retail store compared to traditional methods?
Key benefits would include increasing square footage for stock and processes by being able to store product at an elevated position. It's also using a VRC is much safer means of moving that product vertically versus manually carrying product up and down stairs, or even using forklifts to try to store pallets of material or product at an elevated surface, which is often done from 10 feet below. Product is moved in a more controlled manner with no manual lifting or guesswork when it comes to judging proper clearance.
And how do VRCs contribute to the streamlined movement of goods from a distribution center to the retail floor, and what impact does this have on overall store performance?
It's a great question. VRCs are very customizable, including fully automating them to include powered in-feed and discharge conveyor. From a distribution standpoint, this type of system maximizes throughput of the product with minimal manual interaction, making them highly efficient. Whether it's pallets per hour or a case count, these systems can be designed to meet the demand, cutting down on time getting product from distribution to retail.
And finally, in what ways can VRCs be customized to fit the unique spatial constraints and operational needs of different retail environments?
Right. VRCs are very versatile pieces of equipment, which can be designed to fit almost any footprint with no limitations to capacity, number of floors serviced, or vertical distance traveled. In addition to spatial hurdles, VRCs can be customized with a variety of options from powered doors and gates, making accessing the product on the VRC easier and more efficient, to light grids and photo eye sensors for positioning of product to eliminate loading errors, to the type of guarding and restraints used on the carriage to accommodate any type of product that needs to be moved, whether it's via palletized or loose product in totes or on carts. We can provide the right type of solution for each individual's specific needs.
Thank you so much, Danny, for sharing with us the benefits of using vertical reciprocating conveyors in retail environments. To learn more about how PFlow Industries can partner with you to solve even your toughest material lifting challenge, visit www.flow.com.